So also just going back to like Uber driving with passengers, what do passengers think of your Tesla or like what are some things you've heard them say? Because it is pretty cool like getting picked up in a Tesla.
Yeah, it is. So they love the car. They love the car. Um, once you start driving a Tesla, you gotta get out the car. You gotta open the door, okay? And help them get out. If there's luggage, you just get out. You know, a lot of people are just so lazy. Some people just literally they just sit there and let these old people just like try to get the luggage out the car. Just get out the damn car and just help them out. The way that I see it is that if you get out the car and you open the door, you just increased your tip, you know. But
Yeah.
the way I'm seeing it, I just want to get them in the car so I can take them and then get them the hell out, you know, so I can continue working. So that's the way that I see it. This way, I was like, oh, I get out my car, you know, get them in the car. If I open the door, they get in the car a lot faster. If I open the door, they get out the car a lot faster. If I take out the luggage, they're gone, you know, and the whole entire process goes a lot faster and it looks extremely professional. And they give you tips. They give you tips. They ask about the car. Does it self drive? Do you like it? uh uh what is it, you know, they say that it's really comfortable. Usually when they get in the car, they don't know that the whole entire top is you can see through the glass. So I always tell them, it's like, hey, like, you know, like while you're sitting down, just like look up. And they're like, a lot of them are like, oh my god, I didn't know this. And that
Yeah.
helps to that increase a lot of my tips. There is a fart mode in the car. All right, that one is a money maker. If everybody's like, if you're having a good time with the clients in the car, just use it. I'm telling you. And if somebody's sitting like right next to you, I know. All right, can I say this? Because I let them sit in the front. I don't care. Um, so money's money. I let them sit in the front. Um, but when they sit in the front, I'll go ahead and put in the fart mode and I have them prank their own friends in the back seats. Um, so I'll do that with them. You got to be knowledgeable about the car, like really knowledgeable about the car, and you have to know almost everything on that screen because
Yeah.
they're gonna ask, you know, how to control the AC, how to roll the windows up and down, how to open the doors. They're gonna ask you how to work the radio. The Bluetooth is a big one too, because I'll offer them to connect their phone to my car, and it connects really fast. So you know, turn the Bluetooth on, search, and it connects to their phone really quick, and then they can play their music. I do that a lot too. Um, what else? The self-driving, which is just a given. Sometimes I do it, and they don't. I don't. I can't even tell that I did it, and they're like, "You're not driving," and I was like, "Oh no, no, the car does it by its own." Um, but once you get used to it, you start. Sometimes you make the guest nervous because you know when you got the car on autopilot, you can literally, you know, you get used to like turning and like making
Yeah.
conversation without even having to look on the road because the car takes care of everything else. Right? You're not supposed to do that. That's a big no no. It's a big no no, but it becomes a bad habit.
Yeah.
Um, so they ask about a lot that the prices. They ask about the prices, okay. And the one thing that sells the car is the zero maintenance. People ask, "How's the maintenance?" I was like, I don't know. Like if I ever have maintenance in a car, I'll let you know. The only thing I ever that's the only thing is tires. Tires is the only thing I've ever gotten for the car. And I
Okay.
already met people with a couple of 100,000 miles in their cars, and they still haven't done any maintenance on it.
Okay.